I have an unboxing. I have an unboxing today. I bet y'all didn't know I could sing, could y'all? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kennedy Jazz. For all of my returning subscribers, thank y'all so much for the support. And for all of you newcomers, welcome. My channel is all about fashion, luxury, and lifestyle. And I'm just gonna be taking y'all on an adventure of my life. Okay, guys, so this was very unexpected. I was not planning on ordering something last week, but I did because the price was too dang good to be true. I would have never thought in my 22 years of living that I would have purchased a luxury bag for under $400. Yes, under $400. And we're talking about super high end. The box came today. It is from Farfetch. And I'm just gonna get right into the video and show y'all what I got. Let me turn this up so y'all don't see my information because we don't want that, right? We don't want nobody stalking me. Maybe I can just like, there we go. I can just pull it apart. Woo! Okay, where I'm wrapping. Woo! Okay, we're taking all my information off first off. We don't want nobody stalking me. Okay, I already got enough stalkers around here. Okay, I'm unboxing the box. I can get this thing. Bam. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna rip the box open like Hulk. Woo! Okay. Oh. So it's from Browns.com. So the original price is $545, but I scored for $352. $352. Okay, guys, for a luxury bag. Okay, brand new. We are talking about YSL. Yes, Yves Saint Laurent. That's how you pronounce it in the original country, Yves Saint Laurent. But we're talking about YSL. I love YSL. Have so many YSL shoes, and this is gonna be my second bag from them, so I'm super excited. This is the Uptown logo plaque pouch, and it's very, very, very popular. Everybody who is a fashionista has this pouch, and it's so nice for evenings. Let me just show you the bag first, right? So you saw the price from Browns.com, and now we're just gonna open it. Toss that out there. Okay. Let's open it. Oops. Okay, I had to open like this. I was trying to be a little fancy, but this is nice. So it comes in the brownsfashion.com their original dust bag and box. This is like every time you shop at browns.com, this is like their classic box and dust bag. So we're gonna just add that to my bag collection and stuff because I love collecting those. So we're gonna open it. And of course we have the Yves Saint Laurent box, the good old box. You can never go wrong with the Yves Saint Laurent box. That's just gonna be another addition to my collection. And of course, I have my authenticity card. Of course, I have my authenticity card. Everybody should know this by now. Everybody who watches my channel should know every real, authentic luxury item will come with this magnificent card. Okay, we'll toss it on the floor. And we're gonna unravel. And this, guys, is the most affordable luxury bag I have ever came across. Literally, guys. First off, this is grain leather. It's so flexible. It's not stiff at all. You have the classic YSL logo in gold. And it's like a evening dark wine colored red pouch. It comes with a magnetic closure. I love that. And when I open it, so every video that I watch, in this pouch, it actually is pretty spacious. It can fit usually like your card case, like with all your card and your money. It can fit your phone. I probably could fit like a charger in here, my AirPod case. And I could like actually try to show you, but my phone is the one that's recording for me. So let me see if I can find anything else that I can fit into this pouch. Okay, so let's just pretend that this is my money, the Yves Saint Laurent authenticity card. That's gonna be my make-believe money. So I'm gonna put this in here, fit that in there. I'm gonna angle that out. I always take my mascara with me. This is the Lash Stiletto by Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. I love this one. It makes your eyelashes pop. Like, I don't have no fake eyelashes. You can't really see them in the camera, but trust me, they're long, honey. So I'm gonna put that in there too. My little Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. Love this one. I have the big one, so it came with the little sample, well, not really simple, just like a little purse perfume. So I'm gonna put that in there too. You don't wanna open this in the pouch, so let's be extremely careful with that. So that's in there. Still closing beautifully, right? You always need your lip gloss, honey. Always need your lip gloss. I love my lip gloss. So we're gonna put that one in there too. And my phone would go in the side too. So I have my money, I have lip gloss, I have my mascara, and I would put my phone in here, and I still have a bunch of space inside of it. Yeah, you don't ever want to put too much stuff in here, just because, you know, after a while it won't close. I even seen girls, like, they get a chain, like a gold chain from Amazon, and what they do is they open the pouch and they literally just wrap the chain underneath, and then it becomes like a bag. I wish I had a chain that I could show y'all and give y'all an example for, but I don't have a chain. No, we can't deal with that. But eventually I would definitely show y'all, because I definitely can wear this as a bag or just as a regular clutch. I would carry it like under my arm. I love how it feels. Like, it's not uncomfortable at all. And, you know, you can always carry it like this. If I was going on like a nice dinner date, I would just take this. And yeah, I love the color. I think it was so worth it, guys. I really scored on this. When it first released, I want to say it was priced at $4.75. It was priced at, and then everybody was buying it. Literally everybody was buying it. So YSL, they took the price up to $545. This pouch alone would cost about, with tax, $600 and maybe $630, you know, but I paid only $352. This was literally my least expensive luxury item I've ever purchased in my life, and I'm super excited I found it. Yeah, that's really all I have for you today. I really hope y'all enjoyed this little unboxing, this true unboxing. I always enjoy doing these, honestly. Cause I just be so excited, and then y'all get to actually see the excitement. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, show your parents, show your brother, show your sister, show your aunties, your grandma, your dog. Show them my channel. It'll be so appreciated because I just really want to grow and I really want to, you know, become like, you know, serious with my YouTube channel. I'm going to link this below, and obviously it's sold out at browns.com. So I'm just going to link the YSL.com link to where you can purchase this. So that's all I have for you today. Don't forget, you are lovely, you are fabulous, and you belong in luxury. Bye, y'all.